So let's talk about what sets Serbian apart from other European languages. And that is its distinctive use of two alphabets, the Cyrillic and Latin alphabets. In this video, we explore why and how this all came about, and how it is a central characteristic of the Serbian language and culture. Some of you might not have heard Serbian before, so let's listen to a sample.
Dobro večer, vi gledate Upitnik. Kako ćemo živeti u 2018. godini? Čemu mogu da se nadaju zaposleni i penzioneri sudeći prema predlogu novog budžeta? Ima li vlada plan za najveće gubitaše srpske privrede? Hoće li kabinet Ane Brnabić izdržati ceo mandat ili će Srbija ipak na prevremene izbore? O svemu tome, ali i o odnosima vlasti i opozicije, o uspesima i greškama, poređenjima sa ikebanom bez ličnog uticaja, svađama u vladi, govori predsjednica vlade Republike Srbije, Ana Brnabić.
And in this video, we'll solve the mystery of why Serbian has not only one, but two alphabets. First, let's take a look at who speaks Serbian. It is a South Slavic language, primarily spoken in Serbia, but its reach extends to other regions, such as Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, and various Serbian diaspora communities around the world. Altogether, there's an estimated 12 million speakers of the language. First, let's explore how the Cyrillic alphabet initially dominated the Serbian linguistic and cultural landscape until the Latin one came into the scene. The Cyrillic alphabet has profound historical and cultural roots that date back to the foundation of Eastern Orthodox Christianity. This script was ingeniously crafted in the 9th century by the disciples Saint Cyril and Methodius. These two brothers developed this script with the specific aim of translating the Bible and other religious texts into the Slavic languages to spread Christianity among the Slavic peoples. In 1818, Serbian linguist Vuk Karadžić updated the archaic Church Slavonic used for Serbian based on phonemic principles. His reforms brought the literary language closer to everyday speech of the common folk. On the other hand, the Latin alphabet's incorporation into the Serbian linguistic and cultural fabric came much later and was heavily influenced by Serbia's strategic geopolitical position, straddling the line between the Slavic languages using Cyrillic to the east and those using the Latin alphabet to the west. This alphabet, called Latinica, was designed by the Croatian linguist Ljudevit guy in the 1830s, based on the Czech system with a one-to-one grapheme phoneme correlation between the Cyrillic and Latin orthographies, resulting in a parallel system. So now you know why there are two alphabets. But you might be wondering, what is the cultural significance of having these two writing systems at the same time? The Cyrillic alphabet in Serbia is deeply ingrained in the national identity and cultural heritage. This script is closely associated with the Serbian Orthodox Church, reflecting a significant historical and cultural legacy. Its usage in religious contexts, literature, and cultural expressions underlies its role as a custodian of Serbian traditions. Conversely, the Latin alphabet is widely used in Serbia for its practicality in various contexts. Throughout its history, Serbia has had extensive interactions and exchanges with neighboring countries that use the Latin script. This has influenced various aspects of Serbian society, including its language practices. Latinica is commonly used in business, education, and formal communications due to its accessibility and familiarity worldwide. The legal framework in Serbia underscores the country's commitment to maintaining and nurturing its linguistic duality. The Serbian constitution explicitly mandates the official use of both Cyrillic and Latin scripts, reflecting a deep respect for cultural diversity and the country's dual identity. This legal support for both alphabets ensures that neither script is marginalized, promoting a balanced cultural representation. Notice that using both alphabets together, as we see in the Ling app, can facilitate learning the language by those people who are just starting their first Slavic language that uses Cyrillic. In Serbia, this dual script approach also plays a crucial role in education. From the earliest levels of schooling, children are taught to read and write in both Cyrillic and Latin alphabets. Likewise, in the media and official communications,
A na Kosovu opozicioni poslanici. Ispred blokirane zgrade opštine u Zvečanu došli su Aleksandar Jovanović Ćuta i Danijela Nestorović iz poslaničke grupe Moramo zajedno i Miroslav Aleksić iz Narodne stranke. Kosovska policija i dalje je u zgradi opštine Zvečan.
both scripts are used interchangeably. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.